How to add thumbnail on TikTok videos. So first of all, launch TikTok on your mobile devices. Now once you come to Home, just go to Profile. Now from here, you can tap on plus button in order to create a new video, or else simply go to the draft section in order to upload your draft saved videos. From here, select on a video you wish to upload. Then go ahead and tap on Next. Now from here, simply tap on Edit Cover. Now once you come here, you can choose any of these options shown over here. Now after you enter a text, you can also choose a specific part of the video you wish to add this thumbnail to. If you wish to, you can also tap on this plus button in order to add a thumbnail or a background from your gallery as well. Then you can also tap on this option of preview. So this is how your TikTok video will be shown to other people on TikTok. Then all you would have to do is tap on Save. So after this, your thumbnail of your TikTok video will be created. Then all you would have to do is tap on the option of Post. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.